What you got here is your 24 pack of Gatorade Thirst Quenching Cool Blue. We got 12-ounce bottles here, pack 24, that's right. I'm an adult. I'd say this is a pretty good kid size, or maybe if you're meeting for a work break or work meeting, this might go around the room. It might be a decent hit because lots of people are sweating and getting their work on out. But otherwise, don't count the days, make the days count. Grab your home workout equipment and refuel and replenish during your at-home workout with the carbs and electrolytes from Gatorade. That's right, this is your thirst quencher. Now, when you sweat, you lose more than water. Gatorade Thirst Quencher contains critical electrolytes to help you replace what's lost in sweat. Top off your fuel stores with carbohydrates, energy, and your body's preferred source of fuel, Gatorade. This is tested in the lab and used by the pros for years and years. We got the cool blue flavor. If you're looking for something just to grab on the go for that great workout replenishment, you might want to check this out.